Alright, so we're going to jump right into this video. I am partnering up with Celie Hair, of course, to bring you their deep wave. I will post all of the information down in the description box below. As you can see, I have this unit just on like it's actually a mesh cap wig. I will leave a link to that also because I know you guys are interested, so it's not a dome cap. I did put an elastic band on it and I have a 4x4 closure. So today I'm going to be showing you how to take your closure from this trash, lower far quad situation really thick closure to a nice I guess a realistic looking closure. So of course it's going to look more like a frontal, just to kind of customize that up as opposed to just like tweezing out the part area. So what I'm doing is just taking a little bit of hair from the front. So I did like less than a centimeter of hair out, and I'm just taking my tweezers to just randomly pull out pieces. Now if you guys are not familiar with my process for how I tweeze like my frontals and things like that, I do have more detailed videos if that's something that you're interested in. Celie Hair did send me this. I got the hair literally in like 2 freaking days, so that was amazing. Just in this process of course removing the hair from the I guess front of the closure, you will notice that you will get some shedding, obviously, because you're plucking out the hair. I'm gonna go ahead and take some scissors to just kind of trim off some of the bulkiness out of the hair, and then I'll continue to kind of tweeze that slowly throughout the video. I am taking some of my Argan Oil Cream of Nature mousse just to kind of check my work and see how far I am and where I need to go. Now obviously I could have really thinned out this closure, but if you don't know, I do sell used units, so custom units. You know, of course, I'll make some videos, post those units on my website, ForeverCryssy.com. Some new, some lightly used. When I say lightly used, like I'll take this wig off literally after the video is done, and it goes into a box. So that's literally it. So anywho, definitely make sure to check that out if you guys are interested in this unit afterward. But yeah, try not to customize it too crazy, because everybody doesn't like, you know, certain looks for it to be really thin, or, you know, an overload of baby hair, just a lot of different things. So, you know, to each his own. If you don't feel comfortable with the baby hair look in this video, definitely understand. You can totally skip that. You don't have to do it at all. This is not like, you know, I'm not beating you over the head here. This is just my preference. So who's sexy? Oh, little sister. Anyway, so nevertheless, the hair did get to be really quick. I do have I did actually get 4 bundles, and then the closure, you guys, I believe I have a 22, 20, 20, 18-inch closure, and I believe a 22. I only ended up using about 3 of those bundles, so I have a whole nother bundle that I plan to do like a ponytail with. Just really cute. The hair is really soft, bouncy, full. When I say this hair is thick, I mean this hair is really thick. You can just tell by the closure. I did go ahead and bleach the knots. If you guys are not familiar with that, I have tons of video to show you how to bleach the knots. It's really easy. I typically can use any bleaching powder with a 30 volume developer, leave that on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and yeah, it's usually perfect every time. So I'm going to be doing a middle part. This is a 4x4 closure, which it actually looks a little bit larger than that. I don't know if it's because I kind of stretched the wig out, but nevertheless, I was able to kind of part it on the side just a little bit if I wanted to, but I'm going to go with the middle part for this. So taking some of my mousse, as y'all know, I kind of get my part situated, then I take my mousse just to really style it and get it into the place that I want it to go, smooth that all through, and then, you know, we kind of just go from there. So the hair, I didn't get too much shedding. I did end up wearing the wig for about 3 days. I did not wear it for very long. I'm going to be doing an updated video on the unit. I want to straighten it out just to see how it straightens, because the hair is so full. I feel like it would be gorgeous with just like straightened, lightly layered, some curls. Like this would be bomb. Like, yeah, so definitely be on the lookout for that video. The lighting, let me know how you feel about it. I actually went back to my daytime light, and y'all, if you have not seen my other videos, I've been doing a lot of studio light, so let me know how you feel about it. I'm taking one of my edge controls. I didn't want to use like a gel or anything, so I'm taking this water-based edge control. It's called Control It. This is a new one that I'm trying. You guys have been sending me a lot of ideas on what I should be using, so definitely try it if you have not already. I'll post the link down in the description box below as well. I like it. Definitely it's not too heavy or weighed down for wigs and units like that. So so far so good, but I'm just using it to kind of style up my baby hair. So this is kind of where we're getting into that. You see the lighting, you know, the light is kind of changing, that's the sun. So just beware, okay? Anyway, so far so good. I decided not to like over tweeze out the middle part because like I said, everybody doesn't like that look. I actually don't like it, so I'm just gonna go with the flow here. I think it looks pretty good. The wig was really tight. It did have the adjustable strap, very similar to like a bra strap or something like that, so you can loosen it, tighten it more or less, whatever you have to do. And then I have the elastic band, so I do not have any wig combs or clips, which are just completely unnecessary at times. It can cause tension on your head, so as long as your wig is fitting really tight, you shouldn't actually have to worry about doing too much. So this is a glueless method where I would have literally been able to just take this off. As you saw in the beginning of the video, I literally have like 2 braids going straight to the back. They should have actually been a little bit more flat, which is why, you know, my head looks super big. It's already big, but whatever. So here are the waves. This is exactly what it looks like. I'm 5'2", and it does come down to like the tip of my buttocks, so I enjoy that, you know. But as you can see, the hair is really bouncy, very shiny, bright, and looks very textured and natural. This looks really pretty, y'all. I haven't done like a long hair wig in a little bit. I've been doing a lot of like protective styles with my natural hair, so let me know how you feel. Give the video a thumbs up, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and just put like some little wand curls in it. The wand curler that I'm using is from either Remington or Revlon. I believe it's Remington. It's like a 1 inch to 1.5 of an inch curling wand. You can see it here. I think it's like $20 at Walmart, Target, CVS, Walgreens, whatever you have, they have it. It comes in pink or red. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely make sure to check it out. And I'm just putting some loose waves in it. If you see what I'm doing, I'm literally wrapping it around the barrel and then kind of like holding the curl outward so that it does not wrap too tightly. I just wanted to kind of add a little bit more texture for the areas that may have gotten flattened, or just kind of the curls were disrupted because of course I was tweezing out the closure. So but nevertheless, it looks really natural, y'all. This is definitely one of those wigs that you kind of just wake up and go. You don't have to really do much to it at all if you don't want to. That's why I said I'm going to straighten it just to kind of get a feel. I may not straighten it, I don't know, we'll see. I'm going to do a get ready with me either way, so you'll kind of see what the results are going to be. Now let me know if you guys need like an updated tutorial on how to make a closure unit. It's very simple. I mean, I've been doing it with the dome wigs, but I definitely love to do it on those adjustable caps just because it's a lot easier. It still has the stretch in it, but it also has that adjustable band area to where you can really get it as tight as possible. You don't have to rely on the elastic band and adding that in. So let me know if you need an updated video on that, because I have not done one with that type of cap, so let me know. Anywho, that's pretty much the gist of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely took this frontal or closure area from super thick and full to a little bit more of a natural look. So definitely let me know how you feel about this video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment any questions down below. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babes.